This no churn blackberry ice cream is a crowd pleaser, and if you don't believe me, watch until the end of this video. You're going to need 300 grams of blackberries that have been washed, and then place them in a jug or a bowl and just give them a blitz with a blender. Now, they'll have a lot of seeds in, so what I find is good is to put them through a sieve, and then that gives you a nice smooth mixture. It will take a few minutes, but the finished result will be much better. Place that to the side one moment because we're going to be dealing with the cream mixture. That's 500 ml of double cream going in there, along with 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, and then 397 grams, that's 1 tin, of sweetened condensed milk, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now you want to mix that until it's smooth. You want it to be soft peaks, but do not overmix. Place half the mixture into what will be your ice cream tub, and then add some of that lovely blackberry mixture. I'm doing half and half because it makes it easier, and you'll see I'm using a skewer just up and down and then placing the other half of the mixture on top. I do find when you do it half and half like this, you get a really good even mixture. Plus, I just love that blackberry topping. If you've got any extra, don't waste it because I do like to drizzle a little extra. Plus, it's great on porridge and other breakfast items. Now this is what I'm on about. You see, they didn't even let me finish off the video nicely before they started getting wired into it. Well, I'm going to take some for myself now, and I'm going to add a little bit more of that blackberry sauce. But if you want the recipe to please your family too, then all the details are listed below.